You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this brand name, originally from France, a French audio technology company. They make some sound devices, Bluetooth speakers. The French pronunciation is as Devialet with a silent T. Devialet. Yes, the T is at the end and it's silent, it's French. Now, in English, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say it as Devialet. Devialet. There's no stress on any particular syllable here, but I would stress in English a bit more on the lay syllable. In French, no particular stress. Devialet, French pronunciation, English pronunciation, Devialet. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.